Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to display Elementor header on bottom position in WordPress website. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are going to display header position bottom for desktop layout. On mobile layout, we are going to display header on top, and then you see this is our header logo menu. Now go to Elementor header and we are using Elementor Pro plugin. Now you see desktop, so click on it. So this is our header, and then click on menu. In menu you see content, and then you see mobile drop down breakpoint. Now select mobile portrait 767 pixel screen, and after that we are going to add custom CSS class, and then we are going to add custom CSS. So this is our main container, main section. So click on it, edit container. On left side you see advanced, so click on it, and then you see custom CSS class. So we are going to add CSS class. Now add bottom hyphen header. So we added CSS class and then click on publish. So after that we are going to add custom CSS for this class. So we are going to display header on bottom position for desktop, and on mobile layout we are going to display header on top position. Now go to customize section and we are in additional CSS. Now paste, and you will find this CSS in video description or in comment section. Now you see class bottom hyphen header position fixed, bottom 0, left 0, width 100%, z index 999, and then you see background color. So we already selected background color using container, and then you see box shadow, and then you see media maximum width 767 pixel screen, bottom header position relative. So for desktop we are going to display header on bottom position, and for mobile we are going to display header on top position. So we are using maximum width screen 767 pixel, and then click on publish. Now publish done, go to Elementor header first. Now you see mobile portrait, so click on it. Now you see this is the mobile header. Now go to Elementor page and refresh the page, and then you see Elementor header display on bottom position on our WordPress website. Now scroll down, now you see. So we are going to activate mobile layout. Right click on it, and then you see mobile simulator, activate mobile view. So this is the mobile layout, and on mobile layout you see header display on top position. Now expand menu. Now you see, also you see menu not expand fully. Back to Elementor header. Now you see menu, so click on it, and then you see full width, yes, and then click on publish. Back to Elementor and refresh the page. Now expand menu. Now you see full width, so you can do styling according to requirement. Now go to desktop layout again. Now resize Chrome window. Now you see we select mobile drop down breakpoint, mobile portrait 767 pixel. Now you see, so this is our layout. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.